Hey, what's going on, SGN family? I'm Scholar Gamer Nerd. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I vlog, play video games, and do tech unboxings. And if you're currently subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. So today we're looking at the Nimble 3-day fast portable charger. If you're anything like me and you're constantly on the go, attending school, going to work, and often utilizing your smart devices, then you understand why a portable charger is critical. During my search for a good portable charger, I discovered a company called Nimble. And you know me, I'm a scholar, so naturally I visited their website and did some research. Quickly I realized this wasn't just another tech company. So let's unbox it and then discuss why this portable charger and this company might be worth your dollar. So the packaging is very minimalistic. The charger comes in this paper case. So upon opening it, the first thing you see is the charger itself. It feels very solid and not flimsy. Okay. It includes 2 USB ports, 1 USB-C in and out port, and an LED charging indicator. As you can see the light lighting up over here. It also includes a magnetic strip on the side right here, which is designed to hold the charging cable. Very neat detail in my opinion. Of course you get the user's manual. And one very neat yet fascinating detail is this bag. So this is actually an e-waste recycle bag. So this bag is part of Nimble's 1-for-1 tech recovery project, where they offer to recycle an obsolete tech product for you at no extra cost. So now that we've unboxed it, let's talk about whether this product is worth your money. The one I got is priced at $49.95. It can charge many devices like the iPhone, Nintendo Switch, Galaxy, and other devices. It can also charge up to 3 devices at a time. I have actually charged my phone multiple times from a single charge, meaning that I fully charged this once and it was able to charge this 4 times. So product and performance wise, this charger is the real deal. Now let's talk about the company. Nimble has a nice website where they advertise and sell their products. I went to their about page, which is titled Why We're Different, and that's where you truly get to see the amazing personality this company has. You don't get the scary tech giant vibe that you get from other websites. Their slogan is Tech for Good, and in their Why We're Different link, they have these short statements highlighting what's truly at the heart of what they do. I'll read a couple for you. A better way forward. You have the right to know how your products are made, where they come from, and the impact they have on the world. Here's another statement. Eco-friendly packaging. Our boxes are made of 100% scrap paper with no harmful inks or dyes, making it 100% biodegradable. Here's another one. Honest pricing. Nimble is a digital-only brand. By avoiding the retail shelf, we're able to reduce our prices by up to 50% and maximize the value to you. As you can see, this company isn't only concerned about profits, but also the consumer, and most importantly, the environment. I strongly encourage you to check out their website, even if you don't purchase a product. Read their mission, watch their videos, I'll link them below, and discover why Nimble should be your go-to choice for portable chargers. I'm not getting paid to say that, by the way. I just truly believe they're a great company. Alright, SGN family, before I go, I want to give a huge shout out to everyone out there supporting the SGN movement. The likes, the shares, the comments, they mean so much to me, so thank you. I'm very active in the comment section, so if you have any questions, thoughts, comments, feel free to drop them in the box below. That's all I have for you today. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to be a scholar first, gamer second, and a nerd always.